Aceh Deputy Governor Fadhlullah attended a coordination meeting with the coordinating Ministry of Law, Human Rights, Immigration and Corrections, Kemenko, Kumham, Imipas, at the Aceh Governor's Office. The meeting specifically discussed the operational plan for the direct Krueng Geukueh-Penang shipping route, which is scheduled is officially operate at the end of October. In his remarks, Deputy Governor Fadhlullah states that previous shipping route from Kuala Lumpur to Aceh had not yet operated optimally. Therefore, he hoped that the direct shipping route from Krueng Geukueh to Penang would operate optimally and sustainably. He explained that there had previously been a shipping route from Kuala Lumpur to Aceh, but it was discontinued. He hoped that this new shipping route will be operated optimally and sustainably. Deputy Governor Fadhlullah also highlighted the limited air transportation options, especially for Umrah pilgrims who lack direct flights from Aceh to Saudi Arabia. He also expressed his concern about the lack of regional revenue from the investor sector. He stated that Aceh has great potential but remains hampered by regulations. Furthermore, Deputy Governor Fadhlullah also proposed the establishment of a Sharia prison as a part of strengthening legal governance based on local wisdom in Aceh. The Deputy Governor states that as public servants, all public aspirations must be processed and followed up. On these occasions, the Deputy for Legal Coordination, Dr. Nofli, expressed the central government's full support for this international shipping operational plan. He stated Aceh is also one of the 15 priority provinces for creative economy development. Meanwhile, Assistant Deputy of Cooperation and Immigration, Herdaus, added that the Indonesia Embassy in Penang has been contacted regarding this plan. He stated that port readiness reviews will be conducted in the near future, both in Krueng Geukueh and Penang, to ensure smooth shipping operations. The port in Lok Sumawe will also be inspected in person to assess its readiness, as will the port in Penang. I'm Aisyah Almaira for Aceh Reporter.